of December arrived this year, not only promising a chilly winter, but also carrying with it the weight of an inevitable farewell, one that feels heavier than ever before. Winter has washed away the sweltering heat of the sweaty spots in May, the stresses of exams and deadlines in July, and the spirited joy of Teachers' Day and Sanskriti in September. It has also left behind the laughter and echoes of the sheer thrill of fate. Every year, these winter winds carry the sweet fragrance of continuity, a silent promise that it was never truly the end, just another step in a long journey. But this time, as I breathe in the frosty air of December, all I can sense is a bittersweet nostalgia brewed over 13 beautiful years. These winds whisper tales of growing up, of stumbling and rising again, and of lessons learned both in classrooms and beyond. The nostalgia feels like a favorite song, nearing its final notes, poignant and yet undeniably beautiful. Parting is never easy. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Reverend Sister Manjusha, Reverend Sister Shiva, and all the school management for trusting me with the responsibility of being the school editor. A big thank you to the editorial team, Ms. R.K. Joshi and Ms. Toshita Shah, for always standing by my side and guiding me. I wish I could take the names of all the teachers, but time grows short, so thank you. Thank you so much, the ones who are here, the ones who have left the school. It is because of you all that I am standing here, speaking my mind out confidently. So, all of you, thank you so much. Today, as I look out at the faces before me, I can't help but see my younger self sitting in the same audience. I see a wide-eyed girl from class 6th or 7th, filled with wonder and awe as she watched her captains and her seniors deliver their farewell speeches. Back then, I didn't fully grasp the depth of their words or the intensity of their emotions. But I do remember imagining myself standing here someday. I like to believe that I have made that girl proud. The same girl who once felt a flutter of nerves when she spoke before an audience has grown into someone who can confidently express her thoughts and speak her mind without fear. So, addressing to my juniors, my dear Ramneeites, never fear and speak your mind, your thoughts, confidently, because trust me, it makes all the difference in the world. My journey in Ramnee has been filled with its shares of ups and downs. But if there's one thing which I have learned, it is this: to fight the good fight and to do what is right. So thank you, dear Ramnee, for being a safe haven in times of despair. I leave with a heart full of memories, happy, nostalgic, and eternal. Signing off, Manvi Pande, English editor, St. Mary's Convent College, 2024-25. Thank you.